Mommy? Mommy, I think I want pee-pee, mommy. Mommy, can I please come out and pee-pee?
Piss in the chimney underneath your bed and stop bother me.
Mommy? Mommy, I'm falling and I can't get up. Mommy, I need your help.
Get up, brush yourself off and go to your damn bed and stop bother me. You know what? Where my tambourine switch there? Where my tambourine switch there?
Mommy, I think Duppy in here with me now, mommy. Mommy, Duppy in here with me. Can I come in the room with you?
Duppy, not afraid that Duppy and maybe your father.
But mommy, daddy not dead.
When are the last time you see him?
Mama, I can get some water, please.
Swallow your damn spit and go to your bed. Want tea, man?
Mommy, I can get something to eat, please. My hungry.
Feed her for the fat in your damn belly, musclet boy, and stop bother me. Want tea, man? Your belly too damn long. Go to your bed.
Yes.
Cha.
Bitch.